Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time to unbox our paper pumpkin. Okay, so we've got the July kit. It came with a garden green spot, and then look at all these beautiful trees. Let me get that, there we go. So you can see just all the great sayings on there. So we are going to have so much fun putting these together. And then, let's see here. Oh, I wanted to show you the box for next month is called a Hope box. And look how pretty that is. So let's open this up and see what we've got inside. I know that it was like called Adventure, something about adventure. Let's see here. All right, let's move this out of the way. And let's get my scissors out and open this little guy up. All right. So Paper Pumpkin is $22 a month, and you can get 1 month at a time, or you can purchase multiple months at one time. So if you'd like to get your own paper pumpkin, just go in the description and I'll leave a link for you. And I would love to have you subscribe with Paper Pumpkin. Usually I do lives online, so you can watch that monthly. And let's see, what do we have in here? All right, so they always give us the little dimensionals, and they gave us some adhesive back sequins, some little mini glue dots, and then we've got cards here, or actually they're the envelopes, and they are all the same. So the envelopes are all the same, and then we've got these card bases, and oh, things pop out, so we're going to check that out. Let's just wait, that doesn't come out. So oh, it's a trifold. So we've got our trifold there. This is rather cool. I really like this. So we've got a beautiful trifold, and then okay, we're going to punch this all out, and the lantern actually stays put. So we're going to punch and look at that. Okay, so we're going to take that little lantern piece out, and now we can make, oh, this part comes out too. But after this is done, then we'll be able to make our lovely card. So what I do typically is punch everything out straight away, so that when I'm going to sit down and put all my cards together, it's all punched out. So look at how cute that is. There we go. All right, so we've got 4 of those. And then we've got this little guy, which is also a trifold. It's got some mountains in the back, and then a circle with little pine trees, if you will. And we just take that out, and I'm going to save these little round pieces to use later for blending. But look at how cute that is. I mean, these cards can just be done as is. You don't even need to do anything to it. So we're going to see how many of these we have. Also 4. And then this one is a little camper. Oh, that's a trifold as well. And we've got our little camper, and that's going to punch out just like the lantern punched out, where everything comes out except the actual trailer. So these would make some great little shaker cards. So I'm going to go ahead and make one of these into a shaker card. So much fun. I just love having this done every time. And then we've got 4 of those as well. So we've got a total of 12 cards. And then it comes with some banners and some little circles. Nice. So I would punch all of these out and then work with that. And look at this banner. So it's a single-sided banner, which is really fun. I love those. And then we've got another punch out here. Oh, and this is a tree, but it also has a little flag underneath it. So like a little banner as well. So there we go. Very nice. And then it looks like we have, oh, you can use that with some, as a stencil as well. And then the same with this one. And these are just additional trees. So, I mean, it looks like we can make so many great alternatives. So if you would like, I'm going to be doing paper pumpkin classes. If you are a paper pumpkin subscriber of mine, you will be invited to the class each month. I will still do lives, but they are not guaranteed. The paper pumpkin classes, I will do one of those every month, guaranteed. So if you are a subscriber, I will go ahead and send you that in an email. And then, of course, you have all the instructions. And then look at everything you get. You get all of this. Let's see. Yep, 12 cards here. And then it gives you the colors that they're using. So you can really make some great alternatives. And I hope you like this. If you do, give me a big thumbs up. And take care. Bye.